I'll get it right. 2013 Museum Box Break. Nick Sports Cards, Dallas, Texas. 75248.
That's the way right there.
You've done this before.
No.
What does Debbie say? High risk, high reward.
Mm-hmm.
Where's Debbie?
The doctor.
That's cool.
Mm.
Cameras collection. Ventura.
That's cool.
Is that Mr. Darvish?
Mm-hmm. Bro.
Brock, Hank Aaron,
Tony Gwynn.
Tony Gwynn,
4 pinstripes.
Ford.
Number to 5. 3 of 5.
Oh,
Nice. One of my favorite players. Who was that? Last one.
Albert.
Albert Pujols.
Oh, Nick, your blade. It's getting bad, Nick.
time to invest in a new one.
Man, it's still like $1.75. Kind of sharp in that.
Schmidt.
Mr. Schmidt, one of the best third basemen of all time.
There's another one.
Is that Cabrera? Who is this?
Who's this? Devin.
Mizuraka.
Yeah.
And look at that patch. That's sweet.
Mm.
That's actually a high numbered one, too.
Oh, and there's your emerald. Who is it?
Machado.
Oh, talk about third baseman.
That was a third baseman pack right there.
It sure was. Man, he is great. Isn't he?
Mm-hmm.
I'll still take our third baseman. Mr. Beltran. Who was it? I can't see him through
Gio Gonzalez.
the. Gio Gonzalez. R.A. Dickey. Mr. Castro. Big old bat. Who is it?
Martin Pardo.
Hard to read those names. With
Yeah.
that silver.
3 of 5. I'm not pronouncing
Oh,
that.
not going there. Cat's hard.
Norichika Aoki.
Very good, John. Speaks Japanese.
That's it.